my YouTube channel. Today, ISRO has released a notification regarding recruitment of scientist engineer SC with BE, BTech or equivalent degree in electronics, mechanical, and computer science. And we will see the detailed information about the notification and advertisement of ISRO. The online applications are invited from meritorious graduates for the following vacancies of scientist engineer SC in level 10 of pay matrix at constituent ISRO centers, Group A gazetted post and autonomous body under DOS, Group A non-gazetted post are detailed below. So we have recruitment for the scientist in electronics department of 113 vacancies total. So the educational qualification for this post is 65% BE, BTech or equivalent in electronics and communication engineering with aggregate minimum of 65% or CGPA 6.84 for 10 points. And the second post is scientist engineer in mechanical branch. The total vacancies are 160. Education qualification is BE, BTech or equivalent in mechanical engineering with a aggregate minimum of 65% or CGPA 6.84 by 10 points. And the third post is scientist engineer in computer science branch. Total vacancies are 44 vacancies. And their qualification is BE, BTech or equivalent in computer science engineering with aggregate minimum of 65% or 6.84 CGPA. And the next post is scientist engineer in electronics PRL. So total vacancies are 2 vacancies. Here the educational qualification BE, BTech or equivalent in electronics and communication engineering with aggregate minimum 65% or 6.84 CGPA. The next one is scientist engineer computer science PRL. The vacancies are 1 vacancy and the qualification is BE, BTech equivalent in computer science engineering with aggregate minimum 65% or 6.84 CGPA. And we have backlog vacancies also here. We can see the centers of the ISRO centers: the Bangalore, Mahendragiri, Sriharikota, Thiruvananthapuram, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Valiamala. These are the centers for the ISRO examination and the postings here. And we can see that PW categories here, and we can see here the application fees for this ISRO scientist post. There is non-refundable application fee of 250 rupees for all the posts. However, initially all candidates have to uniformly pay 750 rupees for application as a processing fee. The processing fee will be refunded only to those candidates who appear in the written test as under 750 rupees refund in full for candidates who attempted exempted for payment application fee. Women, SC/ST, PWD, ex-servicemen. 500, that is after deducting the application fee in respective of all other candidates. Means total we have to pay 750 rupees as application fee, and the 750 total amount will be refunded for the candidates mentioned here: women, SC/ST, PWD, ex-servicemen. The other categories will receive the 500 rupees refund from the application fee, and 250 rupees will be deducted for the application for the remaining candidates. And they can accept through internet banking, UPI, debit cards and credit cards. The mode of payment you can choose any of them. So now we can see the selection process here. Selection process will be a two-stage. The first one will be the written test will be conducted at 11 venues: Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Bhopal, Chennai, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi, Thiruvananthapuram. Yes, for these centers you can you can allot for the written test, and the second stage will be the interview. Based on the performance in the written test, candidates will be shortlisted for interview in the ratio of 5:5 with aggregate minimum of 10 candidates. Yeah, for reserve vacancies, distinct additional candidates will be shortlisted in the ratio of 1:5 without regard to reserve candidates. Yeah, you can see here the allocation of marks. So technical knowledge 40, general awareness in the relevance of area specialization 20, communication skills 20, comprehensions 10, and academic achievements 10. Total 100 marks. So qualifying criteria will be 50% each in Part A and Part B for unreserved candidates. For reserved candidates PWB only 40% each in Part A and Part B. You can qualify for the interview. And the pay matrix for the selected candidates will be the minimum basic pay of 56,100 rupees. In addition to DA, HRA, and transport allowance are payable. Yes, yeah, for opening date for online registration is 27 May 2025, and the last date, closing date for the online registration is 16th of June, 16th June 2025. The last date for payment of fee is 18th June 2025. Yes, thanks for watching our YouTube channel.